Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. If you are new, please subscribe. And thank you to all of my subscribers and my patrons. Thank you. Your help really appreciated. And today we're going to talk about the ID3, the Volkswagen, which now, as of today, had 15,000 reservation of 1,000 euros in Europe. For the first round, that's going to be 30,000 for the signature model, whatever that is. And the question is it going to come to America? But before I tell you that, before I tell you what I think, first of all, let's take a look at the specs of this car that it's finally going to be produced next year. It's the first Volkswagen all-electric car, 200 plus miles. That's wonderful. So it's going to go up to 370 miles for the top model, 125 kilowatt hour electric motor, heads up display for the top model, max speed 160 kilometers per hour, which is about 100 miles per hour, 0 to 60 in about 8 seconds. Not so impressive. Interesting doors, like slide doors, suicide doors kind of a thing. All glass roof, which I really like. It is a four-seater, look like very much like the BMW i3. And it is the family of that started with the Beetle going to the Golf, and now the ID3. Very, very cool looking car. Like I said, the range is going to be between 330 kilometers to 550 kilometers, which is 206 miles to 343-ish miles. The battery sizes is going to be 45 kilowatt hour, 58 kilowatt hour, and 77 kilowatt hour. So I think the 30,000 signature models are going to be for the 58 kilowatt hour. It was introduced way back in the Paris Auto Show a couple years ago, and it's the first of 4 Volkswagen electric cars. And it looks like that this one, the ID3, is not going to make it. It's not going to immigrate to the United States. It's not going to come to the United States. But hopefully the others are coming. I made a video about the 4 Volkswagens that are coming soon to be produced in the next few years. This is a big commitment from Volkswagen. It is probably a result, not probably, it is a result of the Dieselgate that got Volkswagen in so much trouble. It was the worst thing that they ever did. And hopefully they will rid themselves with all gasoline cars. That's what they say they're going to do. That is the plan. They were fined heavily in the United States. They were fined $2 billion, which created the Electrify America DC fast charging. I just made a video about it yesterday. So that's wonderful news. It's good for Europe. Excellent for Europe. I think the more the merrier. The more electric cars, the better. It's cute little European cars. I don't think it will make it to America, and even if it does, I don't think it will sell that. And I tell you why I think so. Because it's very similar looking to the BMW i3, which did very well at the beginning, but then it completely and totally plummeted. Nobody buys that car. The Americans don't like cars like this. But in Europe, it's a wonderful, wonderful car. Great range, very good, excellent DC fast charging, up to I think 350 kilowatt, which is amazing. So it's a wonderful looking car, and that's why I think it's not going to come to America, because cars like this don't succeed in America. Their SUV later on, the small SUV later on, hopefully that will come to America, because that's going to be successful. So that's that. I'll keep you updated with the orders and everything. Thank you for watching. If you have any comment or questions, put it below. Please subscribe. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. See you tomorrow, guys, with another video.